Stop trying to apply to jobs if you have not done these things that I have been shouting and screaming and saying. You know, when people ask me, how were you able to do this? How were you able to do this? See, if you're in Canada, Canada is a great country. There are rules that you have to observe. There are procedures of doing things. And once you do things the way it should be done, you will get what you're looking for. So if you apply for jobs the way that you should do it, you will get the job. You don't need to stay 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. I don't even want to say 2 years before you get a job. If you are willing to do these things. I've been talking about functional resume. Today, I want to elaborate on it. Now, newcomer to Canada, you have no Canadian experience. But that does not mean you cannot get a good paying job. You are just doing something the wrong way. Okay? That kind of resume that you have from wherever country you're coming from, it does not work here. Canada have Canadian style resume. And when you come to Canadian style resume, there are different types. And the one that suits you as a newcomer is functional resume. Okay? So I want to break it down today. So functional resume is a kind of resume style that you're able to showcase your soft skills instead of your work experience, which you do not have here in Canada yet. So how do you showcase your soft skills? Remember, when you're applying for a job, thousands, millions of people are applying to that same job. And employers do not have enough time to go through your resume, everything there. They are just going to probably read the first 3 lines or the first page of your resume. So you need to make your first 2 lines or your first 3 lines captivating. You need to make it what the employer is looking for. So this is what you have to do. Each job you apply to should have its own unique resume. For instance, if you're applying to early learning assistant job to be a school teacher, you cannot use the same resume to apply to different schools, even though it is the same job title. I cannot oversay this. You have to. This video is becoming so long, I'm going to make another video. So